There was a time still within the last 5 years when you could get the cheapest laptop for anything from 2,500 to 5,000 Rand to 3,500, 4,500, 5,000. But if you've been noticing, that is no longer the case. You are talking about 5,000 Rand upwards for the cheapest ones. So what do you do if you just want a travel computer because you don't want to risk your usual setup and take that along? Or maybe you just want a computer at all. So what do you do now? Are you gonna pay all that money, or is there a way to do it cheaper? Well, that's what I've been wondering recently. I know a lot of people will say, yeah, just use your phone. Your phone can do everything from writing messages to people to doing your banking online and write emails, if you even still write emails or whatever. But yeah, what if you're like me? You sometimes want to write stuff, write documents, write stories or scripts or emails or anything, and you want a nice big keyboard that you can write it on. That's like the size of a real keyboard, full size, not like on the phone where you have to type with either your thumbs or one finger. Then your phone is just not gonna cut it. So what was my plan? Well, the first thing was to get a screen. You can still get a tablet computer for, what was this? I think this was 1,400, but that might have been a special for the cheapest tablets. I think the cheapest is about now 1,718, just under 2,000. So that's a start. This is a 10.1 inch screen, which is quite good. Yeah, for traveling that'll do fine. You can of course do everything on the tablet, from going online, surfing the web, watching videos online, and you can download all sorts of apps that you need. For example, if you want to write documents or write scripts or books or whatever it is you write, you get apps that can do it. But of course, yeah, now we're back to the keyboard. The keyboard of course pops up every time you need to type something. There's your keyboard, but it's still a virtual keyboard. It's almost the right size, but of course you're gonna want a real keyboard, which isn't a problem. Of course, you can just get a Bluetooth keyboard. Is there nicer stuff than just a Bluetooth keyboard that'll turn this into a nice little laptop? Yes, there is. The first thing I got was this thing. Looks like a file folder. It works with magnets, magnetic flip it open. There's your keyboard. The keyboard is also magnetic. I believe there's some steel or something in there so it can cling. The tablet you'll put in there, into those little hooks. And yeah, then in the back of course there's this photo frame effect. So you'll put it down and there's your laptop. Very nice. Or so I thought at first. Unfortunately, this keyboard is not the exact same size as a standard keyboard. I'll hold them there. It's not much smaller, but yeah, you can see there is a difference. And that difference unfortunately does bug me, because now your fingers are closer together. So as nice as this is, unfortunately it did not quite satisfy. Although it was really nice, this little book effect or file effect. Nice little sized laptop. But no, for me I really do need a decent sized keyboard. And that is when I found this fella here. It is the ANDOWL Q-812 wireless keyboard, multi-system wireless keyboard, Windows, Android, iOS. And there's a picture of it, and there's another picture of what it'll look like. Wireless keyboard supports smartphone, tablet, PC, laptop with Windows, iOS, Android, Mac operating system, easy to use. Looks nice, and there's product standard, size, weight, working distance, 9 meters, charging current and working voltage. So let's open this sucker up and see if it'll answer our needs. Just take the plastic off. Well, they were supposed to specify the color there. Black, white or silver, but they did not. So I hope it's a black one. I wanted the black one. I didn't even know they come in different colors. So what do we have? Another box inside the box. And what do we find now? Is it another box inside the box inside the box? No, it's not. It's the actual product. What's this? Little paper. User manual, printed so small I cannot really see. We'll have a look at it if we need it. Charging cable. Just your normal charging cable. And inside this protective bag is our ANDOWL keyboard. And yeah, you see, that is a nice size. Buttons are just the right size, I would say. Let's just compare quickly. I would say that is pretty close to normal size keys. Or are they a little bit bigger? I almost want to say they look a little bit bigger than this keyboard anyway. Oh, but now this will need to be charged first, or will it work? I see there's an off and on button. So let's see if it does have power to work. Well, the lights did go on. I suppose all we can do now is to see if it'll connect through the Bluetooth onto the tablet. What you do is you scroll down from the top, and then there are icons. You long press it, and what will come up? There we are. Connected devices, pair new device. And it says there Bluetooth keyboard. Is that the one? Let's see if it's connecting. Oh, it stopped. Why did it stop now? Okay, now I have no idea if it is connected or not. I suppose we can test it. Then of course you see there where the green is. You can put your tablet in, and now it looks just like a laptop. Looks and works just like a laptop. I'm just now trying to get this keyboard off the screen. No, it's not working. So I think we will have to actually charge it first, or maybe I can just connect the power cable to it, and then it should work. Alright, I've now connected the power to it, and it's showing me there that it is charging. So can we now type on the tablet? Let's see. Still nothing, so I suppose we need to connect first. Let's try that again. Bluetooth keyboard connecting, and no, it doesn't seem like it's connecting. I wonder, let's just say pair new device, and it says available devices. It is still scanning there for available devices. So maybe we should actually have a look at the instruction manual. Specifications, pairing, name, it says there is Bluetooth keyboard. Key life 5 million clicks. Interesting. The Bluetooth icon will flash blue 3 minutes long after pressing the function +C until the Bluetooth connection is established. Right, so it seems to me it was that Bluetooth keyboard that we were supposed to connect to, and yet somehow it did not connect. Bluetooth keyboard. Connecting. See, but there's no Bluetooth light. Or should we press... Oh, I see there's something about Bluetooth. There by the C, is that what they were talking about? Control and C you must press. Let's see, what else can we learn from this? Pairing keyboard methods, iPad, iPhone, pairing with tablets. They wrote this so small, I mean, look at this. Look at, there's my finger. See, I'm supposed to now read that. It helps a bit when I read through the camera, but I cannot zoom in a lot or come too close. Step 1, when putting in AA battery. What are they talking about? I thought the thing works by itself, or it's rechargeable. Step 2, press the function +C. The Bluetooth indicator light will be blinking blue. Go to your settings. Oh, okay, I see. We're supposed to press function C. Alright, so let's try that. We switch it off first, and now we switch it on. Let's see about this AA battery. Where was the AA battery? There's nowhere to put in AA batteries. What are they talking about? Yeah, it doesn't take batteries. It charges through a cable. It said something here about a password. Go to your settings screen on your tablet, smartphone, other Bluetooth enabled devices, Bluetooth setting. Activate its Bluetooth function. Yes, that's all done. Select its name to connect. Enter the password code as displayed on the screen. Now where was that? I saw no such thing. Okay, pressed function and Bluetooth again, and now we have two Bluetooth keyboards on there. Pairing. Will it pair? No, it did not pair. Well, let's try one more time. Pair with Bluetooth keyboard. Let's try one more time. Keyboard pairing. Okay, I have no idea what happened this time around. I tried and tried and tried, and this time it actually worked. Connected devices, other devices, Bluetooth keyboard. So, why it worked now and not the previous times, I do not know. But anyway, let's see if we can type with it. This is an app I downloaded, text editor. And with it I'm typing my documents. So does the keyboard work? Yes, the keyboard works. Yeah, I like this app. You see, you can there save and close. What else does it have? Save, save as, redo, revert. So yeah, you can do your text documents as always, as you would on a laptop. And now type with this keyboard. Or any Bluetooth keyboard would do, but I like this because it now looks just like a laptop. You see? So then, there is my travel computer. All nice and neat. Yeah. Not quite a laptop, because you have these two separate parts now, but they shouldn't be too difficult to just shove into a computer bag or something. Maybe a bag with two compartments, a flat bag with two compartments. One for your screen and one for your keyboard. And it will be much cheaper than an actual laptop. Alright, well, hit the like button, the subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet, and we'll talk about more thingies and stuff in the next installment. I shall see you around. Bye now.